Hello, today we will review Libman 17-inch wide scoop industrial grade dustpan provided by Home Depot. Why buy this pan? Extra wide 17-inch scoop. Commercial/residential use. Made of heavy-duty injection molded polypropylene. Made in US. Can be used on wood, tile, marble, etc. Convenient hanger hole for storage. Stronger alternative to old-fashioned aluminum pans. Withstands 3x more weight than metal dust pans. Extra molded support in the handle to keep it rigid while in use. Built-in teeth removes debris, hair, and lint from broom fibers. Another great and reliable product of Libman brand products. Why buy at Home Depot? Readily available in stock, in store and online. Great prices. Free pickup in store while ordering online. Free standard shipping. Express delivery within 3 hours when ordered by 4 p.m. for an extra charge. Full range of Libman and other cleaning supplies in store and online. Convenient return, refund, or exchange options. Multiple payment options. Contractor and bulk purchasing benefits. Knowledgeable and helpful staff. And much more. Dimensions. Front of scoop 17-inch wide. Top opening 18 inches wide. Height 2.5 inches. Total length including handle 18 inches. Weight 1.79 pounds. Full range of Libman products sold at Home Depot. In store and online. Libman.com. HomeDepot.ca. Info, product and services review opportunities. Whether you are launching a brand new product or service, a new product line, entering in a new market or segment, whether you are big or small, we have presence on all social media channels to take your business to the next level. Just get in touch with us at info@travelbug.info. You can find, like, share and subscribe to our social media channels at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. More information is available on our website. You can also reach us by email at info@travelbug.info. Thank you. Looking forward to collaborate with you soon.